Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can put pictures inside letters using Canva. This is a really eye-catching design trick, perfect for making thumbnails, social media posts, or even personalized gifts. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create custom text filled with images on Canva, easily and confidently, even if you've never tried it before. So let's dive in and walk through this together. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to Canva. You can use the web version or the app, whichever you prefer, they both work great for this project. If you haven't already signed up, it just takes a minute and you can use the free version for this tutorial. Once you're in, look up at the top right and click that Create a Design button. This is how we'll start any new project in Canva. Now, for this effect to work nicely, we want our workspace to be the right size. So after you click Create a Design, choose the Custom Size option. For this example, let's set our canvas to 100 by 50 pixels. That's a small, simple size, but feel free to adjust it depending on what you're making. A quick tip. You can always make it larger, especially if you want to print your design or use it full size online. But keeping it small helps you stay focused if you're just practicing the technique. Don't worry too much here, Canva lets you resize later if you need to. Once your blank canvas opens, it's time to start creating those amazing letters. Just head over to the left sidebar and select the Text tool. Type out your chosen word or phrase, maybe someone's name, a city, or anything you want to personalize. For this tutorial, I'll use the word food since we'll be adding a food element in a minute. When you type your text, be sure to choose a bold, thick font. Fonts like Anton, Impact, or any display style tend to work best, because when you insert a picture later, you'll want as much space as possible to show off the details inside the letters. Think of your letters like windows. The chunkier the window, the more picture you'll see peek through. Once your text is in place, click on it and head up to the toolbar to make sure it's centered and size it up so it fills most of your canvas. Don't be afraid to make it pretty big, you want those letters to really stand out. Now for the magic part, adding a food element inside your letters. To do this, with your text still selected, look near the top menu or on the left panel for the Elements tab. Search for an image you like, maybe a pizza, fresh fruit, or any food that catches your eye. Drag that image onto the canvas and position it right over your text. Here's a quick trick. Right-click the image and choose Send to Back so it sits underneath the letters, or use the Crop and Adjust tools so the best part of the image is right inside your text. To actually put the image inside the letters, select both the text and the image by holding Shift, then right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask, or group them if you're on the free version. Canva will automatically clip the photo inside your word, and you'll have beautiful letters filled with your chosen food image. Give yourself a moment to admire your work. You can tweak the positioning, try other fonts, or swap out different foods to see what looks best. And just like that, you've made eye-catching, professional-looking text with images inside, all in just a few minutes. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow, and I can't wait to see what you create. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button, and if you have any questions or want to share your designs, drop a comment below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.